Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to start a profitable frozen food business. If you're looking for a business that is profitable, that is accessible, and that is in high demand, then you should consider starting a frozen food business. A frozen food business is very profitable. Before going into this business, there are factors to consider. The number one factor to consider before going into a frozen food business is unlimited power supply. It is very important to get a standby generator before going into a frozen food business, and it is also very important to look for a location that has constant power supply. The next factor to consider before going into a frozen food business is good location. Before going into a frozen food business, it is very important that you get a strategic location for your business. A strategic location for a frozen food business are roadside areas, markets, junction areas. These are the areas that are very strategic when it comes to frozen food business, because you do not want your business to be in a place that is isolated, to be in a place that people do not pass through every day. You need your business to be located in a place that people pass through every day, in a place that is busy. This is what will make your business to be more visible, and it is also what will give you more customers. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is reliable deep freezer. You need to get a deep freezer that is able to retain coldness for 2 to 3 days. That is the deep freezer that is good and suitable for a frozen food business. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is your capital. It is very important that you get your capital. The capital for frozen food business is between 500,000 naira to a million naira. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is the type of frozen food you'll be selling. So you need to decide before going into a frozen food business, you need to decide the type of frozen food that you'll be selling. That takes us to the next point, which is market research. You need to go around before starting a frozen food business. You need to go around, ask questions, ask people about the kind of frozen food that is in high demand in your area, the kind of frozen food that sells more. These are the way to know what you will be selling and what you'll be doing in your own business. These are the way to know the type of frozen food to sell and the type of frozen food that is in high demand in your area. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is equipment. You need to get your equipment ready. You need to get your bowls, you need to get your knife, your cutlass, you need to get a wooden table, you need to get a banner for your frozen food business, because it is the banner that will help people to know that you sell frozen food, and it is the banner that will help people, it is the banner that will make your business more visible to people. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is keeping your environment clean. When it comes to frozen food business, a lot of people would want to buy from people that are very neat. It's your environment that will determine the kind of people that will buy from you. If your environment is very dirty, a lot of people will not want to buy from you because your environments are dirty and there are flies all over. But if your environments are clean, tidied and neat, people would want to buy from you. The next factor to consider when it comes to frozen food business is customer service. When it comes to frozen food business, it is very important that you have a good customer service, because without customer service, people will not want to buy from you. If you don't have, like, if you talk to your customers anyhow and you treat them anyhow, they will not come back and buy from you. But if you treat your customers nicely, you speak to them nicely, you create a good customer relationship with your customers, they will always come back and buy from you. The next factor to consider when it comes to the frozen food business is competitors analysis. Like, you need to go around fast from your competitor. So these are the factors to consider when it comes to the frozen food business. If you got value from this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.